Greetings, YouTube viewers. Contraband Fan here with a more interesting item than the one from moments ago. Obviously a centrifuge blower. One of these sells on Granger's, even in my year or two old catalog, for probably nearly $200. This one can be had for $45. Let's see it go. Yeah, this one, we can get a flow indication on the intake side on this. We gotta make sure it doesn't let Yeah, it pulls about that much noise, and it will push about that much noise. A little beauty. This came from a freestanding advertised as industrial duty dehumidifier. The thing's about as big as probably a Foot Locker type thing, and it sells for probably an insane amount of money, and it lasts almost long enough for the blades to build up some dirt. A little dust collection on there, and then the freon leaks out, or the compressor chews a valve, or it just croaks itself on planned obsolescence. Alright, this thing has a capacitor, probably about a 2-amp motor. I need to get an actual camera instead of relying on my phone, and a tripod, and a cameraman would be cool. One of these days I'll have a budget and I can do that. There's, yeah, non-standardized color code for the motor, and this mug 1.1 amps. Wow, that's tiny. This thing's pretty powerful for less than 2 amps. So that's that thing.